seemed so cloudy on this day that I was really worried that actually no one was gonna come.
Oh my god!
We ended up seeing our
here.
last year grade 9 rep
Okay,
while driving by, and it was really surprising.
Bye! I'll start it again. Do you guys have anything to say to the vlog?
Hi vlog!
I think we're gonna die in the next hour.
Not true. I am a great ass driver.
You hit the curb 3 times in one day.
No, the curb that I hit, that was the other
What are you gonna say? The curb hit you? That's what they all say.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, it's not the same as it was. Whoa. What do you want to say to the vlog?
To the vlog?
This is just so good.
This shit is so much better than McDonald's. Oh my god.
Only 3 for $1.
That is so good.
Oh, this would be 5 for $1.
Oh, inflation. We're almost there. It smells so bad.
Swampy.
No, it smells like poop.
Hi Lisa.
That's
nice.
Hi Lisa.
Hi Lisa's fun.
Oh, poop.
Okay.
It does smell like shit.
Smells like doo-doo. E. coli.
It smells like water.
All right, let's drink.
The E. coli?
Yeah, yeah. Just open your mouth and let it happen.
Okay.
Okay, Lisa.
That's quite a side-eye moment.
Bombastic side-eye bombastic. Oh my god, it smells like horse dookie.
Say hi.
Hi.
You've appeared in a Lisa vlog 2 times now. Yeah, this is your second. Prom.
Oh! Hey guys, welcome to Lisa Vlog 2. My feet are really cold and
Zoom. Oh, you want me to blur it out? Okay.
Should I start
Only
OnlyFans?
Only feet. Adrian.
Yo,
It's so fun.
this is really cool.
Oh my god. A phone?
Yeah.
What phone? A blue iPhone. Oh, your phone?
Yeah.
Wait, really? Hi guys. Do you want to say? Hey guys, today is beach day.
Oh, it's the vlog?
Yeah.
It's the vlog. Yo, what's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube?
The water's really cold.
Yeah.
And we're all a little bit intoxicated.
Except me.
Except Lisa. We're graduating. So
Would you like to say anything to the vlog? Do you have any last words? Would you ever want to do a high school reunion? Yeah? Because I want to host it in 4 years. It'll be fun to see where we all are. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
What?
Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
What the fuck is happening right
Bro, are you okay?
now? Have a happy summer. High school is over.
Do you want a high school reunion 2028? Yeah? How do you feel? This might be the last time we ever see anybody ever again. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Would you be down for a 2028 high school reunion?
Absolutely. Put me on the list.
Okay. How do you feel about today?
It's great. Actually, we thought it was great the whole time.
Yeah, me
Beautiful.
Oh my god, our teacher did so well. You were so confident it was gonna thunderstorm.
Love it here.
I know.
Don't want to leave. And
I
I'm not
know.
drunk.
Oh,
I'm not drunk. And this age.
thank you.
It's an amazing way to finish.
I don't know. Thank you guys.
guys, who are half these people?
Would you like to say anything for Senior Beach Day? How has it been?
Glad it's been rain.
I know.
Chilling, kind of tired, want to knock out and go home.
But we have to make this so fun here.
This is like a form of escapism. I don't even need drugs. Girl! How are you enjoying this? It's so fun! I love this place! Deep form of escapism! I'm actually so in love! Everything! And everyone! Look at that. How do you feel?
It's been great.
How are you doing?
I'm great. You can't even feel the water when you go in anymore. It's so no.
How do you feel? How do you feel right now?
I think we're gonna take that out.
How do you feel about today?
I feel like this is so much fun. Thank you, Lisa, for planning this. This is like the best thing ever. I actually don't go to the beach a lot, but this was so much fun.
I'm so happy.
Also,
We graduated! Would you want to do a class reunion 2028?
a class reunion.
Yeah, when we graduate
I'm
university.
down. Yeah, I mean, no, because people can change a lot in 4 years.
Exactly, I know, right? I want to see where everyone is.
I'd like to see who can grow facial hair. Not for any specific reason, but because growing facial hair is actually like a very uncommon thing. Like, take Edmund for example. Edmund's
You
hair.
think he's gonna have like a full-on beard in 4 years?
His hair grow facial hair, or he hasn't. But okay, go away. Ashby has. And so in 4 years, who knows? Maybe Ashby will have no.
Yeah.
Or have a lot.
Maybe they'll both be bald.
What about this guy? What about this guy?
Completely bald.
Oh my god.
Bye, everyone.
The trio for Zach.
Jess Patel, would you like to say anything to the vlog?
Hi.
How do you think about this?
Fun times.
Do you want to say anything to the vlog?
Hey vlog. What do you want to say around that? I second that.
Yeah.
I wanna like get some pizza. Oh, there is one. I know. That's probably where we're gonna go. And then I'm gonna get a nice shower. And I'm gonna knock the fuck out.
Yeah.
I'm thinking like frozen yogurt.
That would be so nice.
First time actually.
For the first time?
Oh, it tastes. I went to like the famous shop in Yorkdale, right? Like
Froyo.
Yeah, Froyo.
Oh my god. Oh, Yogan Fruits.
Yeah,
That's my favorite. I always go there.
I love mint. I got the
Oh, yeah,
Oreo
yeah.
one. Oh no, I go for fruit.
Yeah, me too. Blueberry.
Oh yeah, it just didn't. Raspberry mango. It
Yes.
tasted like yogurt.
You need to have a better flavor.
I was gonna do cheesecake.
That one's not bad. I've tried it, but it's not as good as the original fruit one.
Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Okay, wait. Here. What do you think about today?
Cool. It's just cold, but the weather's nice. Everyone's here. We chilled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
And happy birthday.
Hello, Lisa vlog number 4. This is me, Asian Rosario. We're at beach again. You can pan to other people. What's your YouTube channel?
I can't tell you.
I will subscribe. You will get money from me. What the fuck, man? In 3 years, I will find you. I will find you in 3 years. And when I do, I have a very special set of skills. I will get these videos. Ah! Yo, who screamed nobody? You're an off. Who said that? Is that you?
Why did you sell me out like that? What the heck, Jonah? Okay, we're even now. We both committed an act we shouldn't have to each other.
That's a weird way of putting it, but yeah.
Katya, how are you?
I'm good. I'm kind of cold though. I don't have like a
Oh my god, the background's so nice here.
It's horrible, but it's fine.
Yeah, okay. No, you're not even mewing. Perfect. This is a reaction to your pet dog. Happy birthday! Do you want me to censor these? Wait.
I'm gonna give you an inspirational talk. I want to hear this. This is for all the. Who's this talk? I'm thinking grade 11.
What? For dinner?
Hey guys, who do you think we are? We study hard. So this for the grade 11. Okay, I'll don't skip class unless it's grade 7 too. I hope you skip every fucking class, cause I hope you get drunk. I hope you get high.
Sats and then make all grade 1.
I hope the sun never sets for you. Boy.
What's happening over there?
We'll be back.
Jaden, how are you gonna protect me from this? Okay. Oh. He's not gonna protect me. Alicia, are you okay?
A staircase like right there.
Yeah. Oh, bugs. So many bugs, so many bugs, so many bugs. We're gonna get a foot infection. What? Foot fungus.
They can't get you. You're not great.
Hey guys, welcome to Adrian Vlogs. This is Jay's album cover. I got you.
Wait, no.
This is so cool.
I'm just gonna bounce up and
Okay.
down.
There's Lisa, she's bouncing. Oh, okay, she got up, she's bouncing. There's Kayla,
I want out. Let's
a
go.
bunch of other people. Look at where we are. This is so cool. We're like literally nowhere. And I want to go to the edge.
The mosquitoes are out. I'm barefoot. This was the best day ever.
It was so wholesome. This was
Best day ever.
wholesome.
Oh my
Show
gosh.
the sunset. Thank you.
Look at the people. Look at the sunset. It's the sunset.
Yeah, you got this.
Got it. It's so windy up here. Wait, hold on. Where's my favorite number? Hi, people. These guys, this big group over here. And then you got the... Why is it so hard? Oh my god. People on the fire. I'm in there, learning something. I have no idea what the fuck they're learning. It'll be fun.
I don't know what else to do. I tried running.
Put the thing back.
I have an idea. I'll get my picnic blanket and we can put it in like a makeshift garbage bag and then we carry it to the front and then we just dump it all.
What is it?
Yeah, all the garbage around.
In the ocean?
graduation. We did it! Graduated! We're done high school! Well, not yet. 2 days, 2 days. 2 days we graduated. 2 days, can you believe it?
Okay, let's clean up. It was so fun. And this is our garbage collection.